If you see your pigs seeming to be in love, then you are witnessing a love story right on the farm. First is the courtship. The female pig, also known as the sow, will come into heat every 21 days. When the sow is ready, the boar, also known as the breeding male, will take action. After successful mating, the sow will be pregnant for about 114 days, which is approximately 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. Next comes the birthing period. This is the time when the sow gives birth, usually a litter of 10 to 12 piglets. Newborn piglets are very small but grow quickly thanks to their mother's milk. Finally, after weaning at about 3 to 4 weeks old, piglets are ready to start their own journey. And that is the entire reproduction process of pigs. Now you have a better understanding of pigs.